Here at Fidenton Independent Schools, we understand that technology makes the world go round, and we're on a mission. The mission of Fidenton Independent School District is to provide every student with a chance to succeed through the use of 21st century skills. We have a vision, and our vision is to use 21st century tools to create collaborative, connected community of learners. Now let's just be smart about this. To do this, we're going to have to develop some goals. And those goals are going to have to be cohesive, work together, and be ready to implement this plan. Let's start off with goal number 1. We want to establish a sustainable, secure, compliant, and reliable IT infrastructure that will enable a consistent technology experience for all users. In addition, we need to be developing systems and practices which optimize innovative, real-world, hands-on learning experiences. To make sure that we can get this goal accomplished, we need to build a sustainable infrastructure with sufficient capacity for system-wide needs and growth. We also need to create real-world 21st century learning contests. And these should be including inquiry-based, experiential, project-based learning opportunities. Goal number 2. Teachers and students will use adaptive devices effectively. They will use them in a one-on-one blended learning environment to achieve student learning outcomes. By obtaining this goal, the instructional technology will be used as a catalyst and a tool for critical thinking and engagement. Curriculum-centered learning experiences will be there to prepare all of our students for what's to be ahead of them in the 21st century. To ensure success, teachers will receive adequate training and modeling for the adopted devices through professional development sessions before the school year begins. Students will receive adequate training on how to use and care for devices to ensure they're being used properly and effectively. All devices will be fully supported by district and school level IT support. Goal number 3. Teachers and students of the district will use appropriate applications and programs to develop connectedness from student to student, student to teacher, and develop public recognition and relationships. To ensure proper transfer of information, students will be instructed in proper use of media communications such as Facebook, Twitter, and FaceTime/Facebook Messenger. Teachers will develop Google Classrooms, and this will allow them to communicate lessons with their students and to convey work and ideas. Parents, they will be encouraged to take part in communications between the school and the home. This should develop a tighter relationship between the family and the school. How do we get these jobs done? Well, we're going to have to try to make sure that our teachers are well taught. So we're going to implement professional development. For Goal 1, both elementary and high school will have access to a variety of online applications. Learning, both in the elementary and high school, they will have to have access to a variety of online applications, including those such as learning.com. Other applications, they will be building specific, such as Raz Kids and iReady at the primary school, and Accelerating Reading, iReady, and Reading A to Z at the intermediate level. For Goal 2, teachers can participate in traditional group-based workshops, one-on-one coaching, live webinars, and self-paced online courses for their professional development. And in addition, at the end of the school year, the district will put on a 2-day Innovative Practices Conference. This will give teachers new ideas on how to integrate technology into their pedagogy for the upcoming year. And third, teachers can use social media as a tool for educational professional growth through professional development by learning how to use social media in effective and responsible ways. Our timeline should be within 2 years. We understand that challenges may arise, but proper planning should negate any deleterious effects. Now let's take a look at the cost analysis. Let's estimate what our budget's going to be for each of the goals previously established. For goal number 1, when we're developing the infrastructure, to accommodate every classroom and learning space in 7 elementary schools, 2 middle schools, and 1 high school, the following materials are going to have to be installed. We're going to have cables and access points. We're going to have mobility controllers. All of these are going to cost money, and the estimated cost is going to be about $342,569.64. Goal 2 is going to be the most expensive. This budget is going to be for the same 7 elementary schools, 2 middle schools, and 1 high school. It's going to take into consideration 489 full-time teachers and approximately 7,400 students. The product selection that we made was based on the compatibility with the academic need and also the durability on the current marketplace. For students K through 5, we've chosen the Dell Inspiron 11 3000. For students 6 through 12, we've chosen the Dell Inspiron 11 3181. And then for our faculty, we've chosen the Lenovo Yoga 720 2-in-1. The overall cost is $1,709,450. Now, fortunately, many programs on the market now are available por gratis. These will be able to do all the things we need to assist in education and be affordable to systems. As the system goes in place, new programs may be seen as necessary, and the allocation of those will be evaluated as the situation arises. But as of now, the cost is $0. To make sure that our goals are established in unity with ISTE standards, please take a look at the infographic that is available. As you can see, each goal meets specific standards, and by doing so, we will be able to establish a good foundation for our students as they progress into the 21st century. Please take note of all the references that are in the packet that you were given as you came into this meeting. Please take note and read through them. Make sure that you understand them and how they build the foundation for us to develop this technology plan.